What's going on, my man?
What's up, dog?
All right. That's all you getting?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Donut sticks. 10.50 right here, big dog. Yes, sir. All right, out of 20. What's this, man?
Money.
I mean, I know it's money, but like, you have the other half?
Oh, man, my dog ate it.
Your dog ate the other half?
Yeah.
Come on, man. Do I look like a school teacher to you? You don't have the other half?
Oh, man, you get this money.
I know, but like, I can't take this like this.
Come on, man.
I need at least the other half so I can tape it up together. It's still good, but I need the other half.
Dog ate it, man. What you want me to do?
Your dog ate it, bro.
Yeah, money.
I mean, I know, but like, I need the other half, bro.
Man.
I can't take this like this.
All right, man.
Yeah, man, I can't take it like that, bro. Have a good night, man.